Constipation is not a laxative deficiency. You're treating the wrong problem. If you've been struggling for years, these 5 cures can fix the root cause, and almost nobody talks about them. Section 1. Bowel-brain reflex. Your constipation is not a stool problem. It's a timing problem. Every human has a natural reflex called the gastrocolic reflex. After eating, your colon automatically starts moving. But when you ignore this signal for years, the brain slowly forgets how to give the go command. The cure is not force, it's training. Sit on the toilet 20 minutes after breakfast daily, even without urge. Use a small stool so knees are above hips. Don't push. Just exhale long and relax your belly. Within 10 to 14 days, the nervous system relearns the rhythm. This single habit has fixed constipation for thousands without any medicine. Don't chase stool, train the signal. Section 2. Magnesium the correct way. Magnesium works, but most people use it at the wrong time. Constipation is often tight intestinal muscles, not lack of fiber. Magnesium relaxes those muscles and pulls water into stool, but timing is everything. Take 200-400 milligrams magnesium citrate or glycinate at night. Next morning, drink a big glass of warm water with a pinch of salt. This combination wakes up the colon naturally, without addiction like stimulant laxatives. If you take magnesium randomly in daytime, you'll think it doesn't work. Use it like a system, not a pill. Right timing beats high dose. Section 3. Pelvic floor, the hidden cause. 40% constipated people don't have a gut problem, they have a muscle problem. If you push hard but little comes out, feel blockage, or have thin stools, your pelvic floor may be too tight. The anus must relax when you try to go. Many people do the opposite. They squeeze instead of release. Practice this daily. Place one hand on belly, inhale through nose, exhale long through mouth. Let the belly fall. Do this for 5 minutes before toilet. Pelvic floor physiotherapy cures what laxatives never touch. Stop fighting your muscles. Teach them to open. Section 4. Fiber and gut bacteria truth. Fiber can cure constipation or make it worse. Not all fiber is equal. Dry roti, biscuits, and refined carbs act like glue, but kiwi, soaked chia, psyllium, and fermented foods feed good bacteria that move stool forward. Your microbiome controls colon speed. Without bacteria balance, even the best laxative fails. Start with 2 kiwis daily, 1 test poop, soaked chia curd or fermented food. Increase slowly. Sudden fiber causes bloating. Feed bacteria, not just your stomach. Section 5. Morning trigger drink. 1 drink can wake your lazy colon better than coffee. On empty stomach, take warm water plus half lemon plus few drops olive oil. This stimulates bile release, hydrates stool, and activates morning reflex. Coffee forces movement by irritation. This drink works by physiology. Do it. Walk 5 minutes, then sit on toilet in squat posture. Most people feel natural urge within days. Gentle trigger beats harsh laxatives. If this video helped you, give it a like. Subscribe for science-based health content and share it with someone who involved this health problems.